How to change who can message you on Facebook Messenger. So in order to do that, first head over and then open your Facebook Messenger like I did, and then click on these three lines right here. On your three lines, click on your settings or gear icon right here, and then you should be able to see your me page. So scroll down right there until you can see this privacy and safety bar. Click on that, and then from in there, scroll down until you can see this who can reach you page. So you can also see that below that, you can see this message delivery. So click on that. And this will decide whether message requests go to your chat list, folder, or whether you can receive them at all. So in here, friends of friends on Facebook can chat you, while others on Messenger or Facebook will be able to put in here a message request. So you can also click on them right here and you can make them change requests or don't receive requests at all if you want. So you can head over and then change them through this way. So that's how you change who can message you on Facebook. Hope we help.